summit leaders are expected to push ahead with the measures to meet the ASEAN community's target by 2015. They will review and discuss the current progress of ASEAN integration and community building efforts, including the implementation of the roadmap for an ASEAN community and the master plan on ASEAN connectivity. The Philippines will also push for maritime security in the region. Again, here's Rocky Ignacio.
The Philippine government maintains its position in pushing for an early conclusion of a legally binding code of conduct in the West Philippine Sea. Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valtes said the Philippines is confident that the issue will be tackled in the 22nd ASEAN Leaders Summit under the chairmanship.
Regardless of the chairmanship, we have always been pushing for these particular, we've been consistent in pushing for our interventions. As you know, last year, nagkaroon na po ng consensus that it's time to talk about this particular subject matter. And we will see what will happen in Brunei kung paano, how the talks on the code will push forward.
The leaders will center their discussion on how to sustain the political and economic security in the region. Philippine Permanent Representative to ASEAN Ambassador Elizabeth Bensuceso said the ASEAN as regional bloc has been recognized by the international community.
Para sa akin, ang napakalaking achievement ng ASEAN ngayon, pumipila na yung mga bansa na gustong makipag-associate sa ASEAN. Sa ngayon ay 31 na yung nag-accede sa Treaty of Amity and Cooperation, yung TAC na sinasabi. The ones are the UK, the EU, and Brazil, even as far as Latin America.
For the past 46 years, Bensuceso said member economies have been supportive in maintaining a regional peace and economic stability amidst the challenges of global economic crisis.
Kinikilala na yung ASEAN na meron siyang clout sa international community. Kinikilala niya ang kanyang standing bilang isang regional grouping na maaring makadagdag o makakontribute sa peace and stability, economic growth, and socio-cultural development of countries in the region.
In the summit, the leaders will start looking at the possible gains under the ASEAN community by 2015.
So the future of ASEAN is one. The other challenge also is how to make ASEAN the driver of movements in this region.
For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio.